All right, so if we have f of x is equal to x over x minus 3, and g of x is equal to 6 over x, then in order to figure out f of g of x, we begin by creating a shell for f, which would look like filling in each of the locations where there's an x with empty parentheses. And then we would put g of x into that space, which creates complex fractions. Now, when we want to tidy up a complex fraction, one thing to keep in mind is that we're already assuming that x cannot be 0, because that would lead to division by 0. So we are, in this case, since x can't be 0, able to multiply the entire numerator and the entire denominator by x over x. And just as a reminder, that's because the reason we're allowed to do that and it doesn't change anything is because x over x is just equal to 1. Anything over itself is equal to 1. So that's not going to cause me any problems. So now at this point, I can clean this up by distributing that x through. So I end up with 6x over x in the numerator, and I end up with 6x over x minus 3 times x in the denominator, because that distributes through to everything. And the numerator simplifies to 6, and the denominator simplifies to 6 minus 3x.